This is Shuji Umehara as a ECM Technical Support Engineer. As next, I will explain how to configure, install, and configure FileNet Content Manager container for demonstration purpose on OpenShift 3.11 in Red Hat all-in-one VM. I will explain first about installation flow. At first, all of image have to be pushed in the local registry and create a custom resource for ICP4A cluster and deploy operator and apply custom resource. On the ICP4 installation, all installation activity is done from a container instance called operator. Operator repeat, observe, and analyze and act as deploy by watching the custom resource update and follows. As a preparation, you have to download and extract the installation script from this site. And download the install image from password advantage site and load it by using load image shell command. And get and push container image of LDAP and leave it to universal by load pre image shell. And then set up cluster admin environment by CP4A cluster admin setup check command. I will type actual command here. This part is create a new project if you want to configure the new project. And extract the file, installation script, and load image to local registry. And then open LDAP and leave it to universal. Download. And as the installation worked, it will be done by all CP4A deployment shell command. It execute this command is create CR from template and create persistent volume and copy dbit driver and deploy operator and apply CR. Then start deployment. For your information, this activity has to be done by step by step in the case of production installation. This is the actual command. This command is executed interactively, so you have to answer for each prompt step by step. This script is a batch command, so this part is a reply each question. And then a little bit part have to be modified because we don't use a resource registry and single sign-on for demonstration purpose. But this demonstration purpose, demonstration installation as just a description of this part. So just delete it's not needed part. This part and navigator not needed SSO and resource registry part is delete. And then apply again this custom resource. After that, you can wait to complete the deployment. And this deployment process can watch this command. And all of the installation is completed. All pod is running or completed. And at first, resource registry and navigator SSO try to deploy. But finally, resource registry is removed and navigator become not SSO version because custom resource was changed, as I explained. If I execute this command, after deployment, if I execute this command, you can see the environment information that you deployed. This is the final status of deployment, all of the running. And this is the execution result of the post-deployment command. HCC URL and navigator URL is shown. And the administrator user ID and password is also shown. So you can use this URL. You can access HCE and navigator. For access this URL, you have to create an entry on your PC. PC is executed the browser. You create the entry, etc host entry. And then you can see this screen for HCE. And navigator. Thanks.